Good morning, students. In this video of mine, I'll be explaining centroid formula of triangle. Before going to centroid formula, you should know what is centroid, what is incenter, what is circumcenter, and what is orthocenter. So let me define all. The first is what? Centroid of triangle. What is centroid? It is meeting points, medians of triangle. Then second is what? Incenter. After centroid formula, I'll be deriving incenter formula also. What is incenter? It is meeting point of angle bisectors of triangle. And orthocenter is what? It is meeting point of altitudes of triangle. And what is circumcenter? Meeting point of perpendicular bisectors of sides of triangle. So we'll start centroid formula. The statement is if A corresponds to x1, y1, B corresponds to x2, y2, and C corresponds to x3, y3, B vertices of triangle ABC. If G is centroid of triangle ABC, then prove that G corresponds to G corresponds to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Proof. Before starting proof, I mean, we had to mention two important points regarding centroid. First is what? Centroid is meeting point of triangle ABC. Centroid is meeting point of triangle ABC. This is first point. Centroid divides triangle median. Centroid divide median internally in the ratio ratio 2:1. Now, as I mean, making videos, diagram and different types of uh, f's which is given is useful now. See, now I can draw better triangle because of shape of the figure they have given. 1 minute. See, triangle is completed, but I have to draw little big triangle. So let me remove this. Ink into shape is there. So let me draw according to, oh sorry, eraser I have not removed. Ink into shape is what? That is also on. So let me draw a triangle. So this is better. Now I'll take midpoint. This is midpoint of side BC. From here you join it. Again, let me remove this. So again I have to go in shape of shapes. In this I had to draw line. So see here. Oh, 1 minute. Eraser is also there. 1 minute. Eraser I was supposed to remove. Ink into shape. Let me first remove this. Again, eraser I had to remove. I had to select pen. And then I had to select ink into shape. Now eraser is removed. Now this is better. Now again I'll go to what? For median, I had to select line. It is in shapes. So I will take line. Now I had to take median. This is midpoint. So I'll draw this. Uh, 1 minute. A lot of things I had to learn. So this I'll remove. Again I'll go. So I'll remove this eraser. I will take pen. Then again I'll take line. Now I'll draw line from this vertex to midpoint. Huh? Why it is not completed? 1 minute. Let me try ink into shape. Shapes. I have to complete this. Let me try ink into shape only. Okay, let it be. Now this is triangle ABC. A has coordinate x1, y1. B has coordinate x2, y2. And C has coordinate x3, y3. And this is midpoint of, right? Median has gone. AD is median and D is what? Midpoint of side BC. Consider triangle ABC. Let AD be its median. Therefore, D will be midpoint of side BC. Let G this is point G, which divides median AD in what ratio? 2 is to 1. That is, length AG is what? 2 and GD is what? 1. Let G be a point which divides median AD internally in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, G will be centroid of triangle ABC. Since AD is median, since AD is median of triangle ABC, therefore D will be midpoint of side BC. By midpoint formula, in section formula for internal division, I have explained midpoint formula also. By midpoint formula, coordinate of D will be what? It is midpoint of side BC. So sum of x coordinates of B and C divided by 2, that is x2 plus x3 divided by 2, y2 plus y3 divided by 2. This is coordinate of D. Since since G divide median AD internally in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, bisection formula of internal division coordinate of G which divides coordinate of G is what? See here. Now ratio is what? 2:1. The first number of the ratio is what? 2 will get multiplied to second point of the segment. It is cross multiplied. That is 2 is multiplied to coordinate of D. Second point is D. So 2 into so 2 into coordinate of D is what? x2 plus x3 divided by 2 plus second number of the ratio, 1 minute. Two into x2 plus x3 upon 2 plus Second number of the ratio is what? 1 multiplied to coordinate of A, which is x1, upon m plus n will become 2 plus 1, comma 2 into y2 plus y3, y coordinate of D, divided by 2 plus 1 into y coordinate of A, which is y1, whole divided by m plus n, which is nothing but 2 plus 1. Therefore, G corresponds to, now 2 will get cancelled, so you'll get x2 plus x3 plus x1 upon 2 plus 1 is what? 3, y2 plus y3 plus y1, 2 will get cancelled, upon 3. That is, G corresponds to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3 is centroid formula of triangle ABC. So thank you very much, students. In my next video, I'll explain in center formula.